as we call for investigations, I must say that Kipchumba Murkomen cannot be CS Interior, and the family of Ng'eno and the Kipsigis community and other Kenyans expect fair and transparent investigations, because Kipchumba Murkomen has been fighting Mheshimiwa Ng'eno. We want to ask President William Ruto to ask Kipchumba Murkomen to step aside to allow for thorough investigations into the air crash. Alternatively, if the president must keep Kipchumba Murkomen, who is responsible for creating violence in Kenya.
I keep wondering, why do they think they are so unpopular? Shule ilichomeka hapa Nyeri the other day, watoto wakakufa hapo Darasha. Up to now, nobody knows what happened. There is no report that is existent, nothing. Watoto walichomeka, wakakawa ashes. Kule Pwani, kulikuwa na kaburi lipatikana pale. They don't know, they can't tell you coherently how many bodies were found there and what actually happened. Sasa tumeketi sisi zote hapa. We lost our CDF, Chief of Defense Forces, the late General Ogola, fantastic soldier. I don't know, I was asking Speaker Muturi if you have seen a coherent report where the government explained what exactly happened. You know, this government takes the public for granted, they don't care. It's a very irresponsible government and it's the wrong way to manage a country.
Anjali iliyotokea Nandi na ikamchukua Mheshimiwa Johanna Ng'eno ni swala la huzuni sana. Inaongeza kwa horodha ya ajali ambazo zimefanyika na bado kupata hata taarifa ambayo inaweza kuridhisha wananchi wa Kenya. Kama ambavyo amesema Fred, Chief of Defense Forces, sio simple thing. Na mimi mwenyewe ninukuliwa wazi nikisema General Ogola was taken out.
Na hii Kenya lazima tutaibadilisha, tuache zile tabia zetu mbaya. Zile tabia mbaya ndizo Ruto amebeba. Wizi, kuua watu, kuchukua mashamba ya watu. I believe, even though I don't have the evidence, Ng'eno has been killed because he refused to sign the land which has got rare minerals kule Kilgoris.